Hello, in this video, we will introduce abstract classes and pure virtual functions. Why do we need abstract classes? Well, look at the geometric object class. The derived classes, so-called rectangle, they all have this functions, get area and get perimeter. If we move these two functions to geometric object class, it will be very useful. We can define functions to use geometric object, invoke the get area and get perimeter, even though the geometric object cannot have this, the get area and get perimeter, but the subtype of geometric object can invoke this get area and get perimeter. So we'll have examples. You're going to see the benefit of why we should have those two functions defined in the geometric object class. So those two functions are now defined in the geometric object class, but we don't know how to implement it because we don't know exactly the shape. So that's why here we're going to define it as abstract functions. Only define it, declare the function header, but no function implementation. Because we have this abstract function, the class is also abstract. So we have in the UML diagram using this italicized and for the class name, abstract class name, and the function is italicized for the abstract function name. So this is circle is the same and rectangle is the same. And now let's see how you, in the code, how do you write the declare abstract functions? You're going to use this virtual keyword and also put this equals 0 to indicate that this is called a pure virtual function. So it's a virtual function. Further, it's a pure virtual function. So that is abstract function. So this is, we define it in the geometric object class. It's virtual and have this 0 assigned to this function. So this is virtual and you're going to have this is 0. So it's pure virtual function. It's abstract function. And here is to implement it. So we implement all the other functions, but not the abstract functions. Now in the derived classes, so we're going to have this get area and get perimeter, and we're going to implement get area and get perimeter in the circle class, in the rectangle class. So this is all here. And now let's write a test program. You're going to see the benefit of defining abstract functions in the geometric object class. So here, this is equal area. So we're going to test if these two geometric objects have the same area. So this is g2 dot get area. So this geometric object, and this is G1 and G2. So this returns true if they have the same area. And now look at this. If we don't have this get area defined in the geometric object, you will not be able to compile it. So this geometric object here, we're going to display it its area and its perimeter. So this is a test program creating a circle, rectangle, and display circle and display rectangle. And now look, see if they have the same area. So now you see the benefit of defining abstract functions. You can now use it here. If you don't define it, and you'll not be able to write this function equal area. That is all for this section on abstract classes and pure virtual functions. See you on the next video.